This is the Dunkirk movie by Christopher Nolan. And I love the war movies, especially when they have a lot of fighter jets in it. So today we are going to visit HAL Museum. And you know, when we think about like planes and aircrafts in this 21st century, we we take them for granted because they are just part of our life. But if you look at the history of aviation, it took around hundreds of years to achieve this level. So finally हम पहुंच चुके हैं and this HAL is on my right side as you can see. Alright, we also have this HAL Management Academy. For more information you can contact on these numbers. This is the HAL entrance fee.
₹100 कैश फोन करना. थैंक यू सर.
Alright, I have to pay for every camera you have. So this is the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV. Alright, so the scale is 1:10. It means the actual satellite vehicle was 10 times bigger than this. This is the hall number 1. History of HAL. Seth Walchand Hirachand. These are the important milestones of HAL. Manufacturing MiG-27 aircraft, Cheetah, Alright, so I think this is the year-wise history of aviation. It is from 1940 to 1950 this side, and then 1951 to 1960 that side, and then 1961 to 1970. Oh, this is cool. Like how HAL improved itself over the period of time. Alright, so these are the different models of fighter jets. This is the Empire fighter. This is G-Net fighter Pushpak. HT2 trainer Srimati Indira Gandhi. (2001) and beyond. So this is the Hall of Fame section, like what all awards they have achieved. So these are the people who have been CEO and GM of HAL. Dr. A.H. Pandya, M.K. Sen Gupta, JMC Nagesh, AM engineer, and whole list of people. So this is the collection of all the prizes that HAL has won. All India Kabaddi Mayors Cup winners, All India Hockey Tournament winners. So this is metal, huh? How much for this?
350.
350, huh? We also have these small clocks. Okay, thank you, sir. I feel price was quite reasonable. It was not overpriced. So if you are coming to HAL Museum and you want to take any souvenir with you, you can buy something from here. This is the huge antenna. This is air traffic control radar and antenna. And for those who don't know what does radar stand for, it is radio detection and ranging. It provides positional information of aircraft. Alright. Oh. It is some plastic, I think. Look at this aircraft, it's very small. I don't think it can occupy more than 30-40 passengers. It is 70 years old, man. First flight, 1950. It can fly up to 370 km per hour. This is, oh, there are different categories of aircrafts. Okay, so that was passenger aircraft. This is hobby and training aircraft. All right, so we also have aircraft made for hobby and training. Hansa, Hans. This is also a pilot training aircraft, Hindustan Trainer. First flight, August 1951. This is Kiran. Oh, it comes with Rolls-Royce Viper 2 turbojet engine with maximum thrust of. Oh, it has Rolls-Royce engine, huh? These are the real engines of this aircraft. We also have children's play area. The radar can also measure the height of cloud base and the quantum of cloud. यह है एडवांस्ड लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर ध्रुव. So whenever you have this light blue color, it is Indian Navy, and when you have this dark color, then it's Indian Army. This is huge. Nausena. Look at this huge helicopter. Here we have HPT-32, a fully aerobatic pilot trainer designed and developed by Aircraft Design Bureau, Bangalore. Cool. This is also a training aircraft. This is the fighter jet. Look at this thing. I think यहाँ से निकलती हैं गोलियाँ. All the fighter jets come with this pointy head. I don't know what is the name of this jet because there's no signboard here. तो क्या होता था कि लड़ाई के टाइम पे वहाँ से पायलट निकल के ये भाला फेंक के मार देता था और इस तरीके से सामने वाले एयरक्राफ्ट को परास्त कर दिया जाता था. So this is BF-597. Okay, let's walk under the wing of this plane. This is Canberra. A multi-role aircraft used by the Indian Air Force as a bomber, trainer and high-altitude photographic reconnaissance aircraft. First flight 13th May 1949. We also have oxygen section here. Huh? This is Laksh. Pilotless target aircraft. This is light combat aircraft. LCA. I'm just wondering how do these planes get the numbers S342, EF756. There must be something behind it. This is MiG-21 fighter trainer. Ejection seat. Datum point. What is datum point? Marut. This is the PSLV heat shield. Here we have Kalpana Chawla. Country is so proud of her. कितने बॉडी वेट तक अलाउड है?
बिलो 80 kg।
अच्छा, एवोवेटी अलाउड नहीं है?
नहीं।
मूवमेंट से बॉडी मूवमेंट होगा।
लेफ्ट डाउन अप, बॉडी को मूवमेंट करना है। ओके सर।
ओके, हाँ।
ये ट्रिगर है सर फायर करने का।
कौन सा
ये
ट्रिगर
वाला,
है?
ये वाला
ओके,
वो ट्रिगर है, वो मिसाइल है सर। ओके,
इससे मिसाइल से ट्रिगर दो ही
मिसाइल ट्रिगर है।
दो ही बटन है? हाँ,
दो ही बटन यूज करना है।
ठीक है,
अगर कॉकपिट हो गए तो ये है।
ठीक है,
ओके, अभी आउटसाइड व्यू रहेगा सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है,
स्क्रीन में येलो कलर का यारा होता है सर,
ठीक है,
उसको फॉलो करना है।
ओके,
टारगेट भी स्क्रीन में रहते हैं सर।
ठीक है,
ओके सर। अगर प्लेन क्रैश हो गए तो ट्रिगर यूज करना है सर, पीछे वाला
ठीक है,
यूज करना है सर।
ओके,
ओके सर। हल्का सा खेलना है, जॉयस्टिक थोड़ा कमजोर है। ओके सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है,
एक हाथ से पकड़ लीजिए, एक हाथ इधर रखिए, ये कैसे जाएगा ऐसा आपको बॉडी मूवमेंट करना है सर। ठीक है सर, बॉडी को घुमाना है।
ठीक, ठीक। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना मज़ा आ रहा है खेलने में। तो यहाँ पर हमें स्ट्रीट में Alright folks, if you love aircrafts and planes, then this is the best place where you should come, because it gives you a very good insight about the evolution of Indian aviation from HAL perspective. Or if you have any kids who are interested about learning aircrafts and plane, then you should definitely bring them here, because it will give them a broader perspective about aircrafts and planes.